New from Makita, this is the XGT 40V Max Brushless Scrubber. It takes the hard work out of surface cleaning and polishing for both floors and walls, inside and out. Whether you're tall or short, it's got a nice big telescopic handle on it so you can change the height to suit your application. The head also pivots on both the X and the Y axis, and both those axes can be locked off should you need to work it on its edge into a grout line or similar. There's also that handy workload on the surface as well, so you shouldn't miss any spots. It's really simple to use controls with that power button cycling through the 3 speed modes. Max speed mode gives you 600 RPM up the business end, and the brushless motor gives you constant speed control, so when you put some weight down on the head, it should continue to maintain that speed while cleaning. That other button there is a reverse mode. That gives you half a turn in reverse, which means you can change those heads toollessly, even hands-free. Really great if you just cleaned out a portaloo. And to attach the new brush head after removing it, simply take it off reverse, slide it straight on, then go forwards and it'll lock in place. Now on top of the included brush head, it does come with a polishing head as well, and a range of polishing pads that all attach via hook and loop. And available separately to this tool, there's also a range of brush heads that vary in level of abrasiveness. The battery enclosure keeps moisture and muck away from your battery and its connection, and it's large enough to hold the largest XGT battery. However, the combo kit comes with a 4Ah battery and charger. The 4Ah is what I'm using here, and with it you can expect up to 48 minutes of continuous runtime while cleaning. The new XGT 40V Max Brushless Scrubber is available now at your local Sydney Tools store in the Makita aisle like I'm standing in right now. Make sure you check it out. You can also check it out over at our website for full specs, to order online. If you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.